Variables in JavaScript are available in a specific scope. In other words, where a variable is declared determines where in your code it can be used. What? In other words, where a variable is declared determines where in your code it can be used. What? I'm confused, Unga Bunga. So, I think it depends on how you put the scissors close. If you close the door, then you can't use the scissor. If you open the door, then you can use the scissor, I guess. Why scissor anyways? The first scope is the global scope of variables that are declared outside of any block, like a function or for loop, are in the global scope. Your character count and rows variables are all in the global scope. Character count rows is outside of any code block. It's outside of this, outside of this, outside of this. Therefore, it is a global scope. Okay, when a variable is in the global scope, a function can access it in its definition. Here is an example. So we have a name parameter. We added the title or any value of the title variable, which is the professor, and concatenated it or connected the value of the parameter name, which is the Naomi. So it would log out as it would log it as Professor Naomi as a whole, because the value of this title is Professor, the value of this name is Naomi. So the value of this has been used in or has been extracted from the variable, which is the title. It is a global scope because it is outside of this block. So we can use it to any block. Yeah. So anyways, this example would return Professor Naomi. Update your padrow function to return the value of concatenating your character variable to the beginning of the name parameter. So yes, we do have a character variable up the very top. So we just have to call it here, concatenate it with plus, so that the value of each variables would be returned together or joined together. Nice.